Hello parents, this is the Phonics Foldables. With this game, your children will be able to practice phonics, uppercase and lowercase letters, and words starting from each letter of the alphabet. Take the foldable for each letter and ask your child to identify the letter on the front. Ask them, which letter is this? This is letter A. Which is the big letter in these two? This is big letter A and this is small letter A. What is the letter sound for A? A. A. Then open the foldable and help your child read and identify the words that start with that letter. This is an apple. Apple. This is an ant. Ant. Do this for all of the 26 letters in the alphabet to help your child recap and practice alphabets and letter sounds. They can also learn new words that start with each letter through this. Once you have gone through all the letters, you could go through them again and help your child learn new words.